Okay, hello everyone. So, welcome to the continuation of our project on the digestive system. So, in the previous lesson, we actually learned to just position our objects or UIs or assets. Okay, now we are trying. Where's the point? This is supposed to be the pancreas. I don't see why it's changed all of a sudden. So, our stomach hotspots. Okay, so this is going to be for the pancreas. Okay, so when we click on this, showing where the liver is, the pancreas I think is inside the liver. Okay, so let's look behind it and see if we can see it. Okay, so that's the pancreas. If you look here, there's the pancreas. Okay, but we wouldn't want the user to look behind it. Okay, so now what happens is when this is clicked, that's this icon is clicked. We want it to show this guy. Okay, which is this, but we don't want it to only show it's okay. So we would have to, that's when you can see when we did a duplicate, it actually did some duplication here. So what we have to do now is when hotspot started tab, we want it to show, we want the digestive system to, let me see what we did here. Okay, to show, and then not aside showing, we want it to spin. Okay, just so the user gets to see around it. Okay, okay, so it's going to spin once. Okay, so that's cool. And then we also want to make sure our icons, our hotspots are hidden. Okay, because when we come here, you can see they are showing then there's nothing there. It doesn't look professional. So what I have to do is on scene starts, you need to hide these ones and then show them when they need to be shown. So hide, then do same for the stomach hotspots. Okay, so let's preview it and see. Okay, so they are hidden. Then we will only show them when this is clicked. Okay, so when stomach give is clicked, this should be it should be here. We want it to show. Okay, then also wanted to show this one too. So come here. Oh, not hotspot pancreas. It shouldn't be hotspot pancreas. Okay, so the mistake with this, so I'm going to move this to this side instead. Yeah. So when the starter is clicked, okay, when the hotspot starter is clicked, we want it to show and then spin. And then we also want the hotspots of the stomach to show. Then one that of let me see which one is this? This is the stomach. One that of the gift to also show. So we come here. That's the pancreas. Show. Okay, so we have it. Now let's go to preview and see. So when I click on this, you can see we have them showing. I think we got confused because we did some duplication and then it auto give us the code, or let's say the code, so it's, don't forgive me for that, but yeah, we are also learning to troubleshoot certain things. Okay, so now when the pancreas hotspot is stopped, we want it to show this pancreas. Okay, so when it stopped, show pancreas. So I'm going to, since it's already selected the digestive system because of we being we duplicating it, we'll change it here to show this. So let's preview. Then when I click on this, it should show. Similarly, we want this one to also spin, okay, just so the person gets to see. Um, since it's 3D, we want the person to see all around it. So we're going to click spin. Yeah, then that should be it. Let's see. Okay, that's interesting. Now let's do same for um. So for this, let's see where it is. So when our stomach hotspot GIF is up, we want it to show this GIF. Okay, want it to show. So what's the name? So that digestive juice compressed. Okay, so we'll search for it, which is this, and show it. Okay, so it's going to be shown, and then now we want it to play animation. Remember, it's a GIF. Okay, so we want it to play animation. Set to infinite. Then let's try previewing it. So I click here, it shows. Click on this, and then it shows. The animation isn't playing. Okay, so let's do something with the animation. So with the animation, we would have to try something here. Sorry, it's supposed to play images. Okay, remember it's GIF, not yeah, it's GIF instead. Okay, so sorry, play images. Okay, so you can see it's playing, but it's very slow. So we can increase the speed here. Let's try it and see. Okay, so this is quite okay. So you can see the digestive juice doing its work. You can see it doing its work. Okay, so now what I've done is we are actually done, but we want to try something else. Okay, so sometimes the enlarging or scaling this thing doesn't show. You'd have to come here to this icon. Okay, and then you select it and then you can enlarge it. So here we just want then I'll come to the move tool and then drag this somewhere here. Okay, for care and maintenance. Or sorry, care so care for our body or the digestive system. Okay. So all you have to do is to make sure this is hidden and it's only shown when maybe an icon is clicked. Let's say when this is clicked, okay, it should show. So on scene starts, we want it to get hidden, so it should be hidden. So hide, okay. Oh, not a GIF. Okay, okay. So the name is called care. It should be hidden, and then it should only show when GIF or this icon is clicked. That's the stomach is clicked. Okay, so now let's test our projects finally. Why didn't our care show? Okay, so I noticed our writer did stomach GIF show, so I have to change it to care. Okay, so you can see it's shown. You can use the space bar and then you hold on your um, touchpad and then just drag. So this is what we have, and then thank you for watching.